Today we'll focus on sector rotation and how to monitor it in real time. Here you can see the performance of the 11 main sectors. For example, technology is trading around $279 and consumer discretionary near $239, both showing strength. Meanwhile, utilities at $85, financials at $53, and consumer staples at $78 are lagging behind. Here you can choose different time frames. For example, look at performance over the past year, the last 60 days, or the last 15 days. The chart updates in real time, so just by moving your mouse, you can instantly see how each sector has been performing since the start of the year. If you only want to focus on a few sectors, you can simply deselect the others and track what matters most. You can also use the sector panel above, where all signals are collected in one place. You can see volatility, power day, trend signals that are positive, negative, or in consolidation, direction up or down, and more. This makes it easy to track performance and see which sectors are leading. Another powerful feature is the ability to compare sectors against the S&P. Over the last 60 days, you can clearly see which sectors have been outperforming the market. Energy is up 4%, utilities is up 2%, and real estate is flat at 0%. Technology may have led earlier, but more recently, energy and utilities are showing stronger performance, while real estate remains flat. So, for traders, monitoring sector rotation helps identify where capital is flowing and which sectors are gaining momentum. Sector rotation is not just about short-term moves. It's about understanding the bigger picture of how capital shifts across the market. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the platform and don't forget to do your own research.